Hello everyone, today I have the June 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag. Now, this is what the bag looks like. Not one of my favorites, but it's cute. Pull out the card, which probably doesn't have information about the products. Nope. The first thing here is this KVD Locket Translucent Setting Powder. Just like this. Next, I'm pulling out this Essen Herb Tea Tree Foam Cleanser. Key features of the product is higher saturated fatty acid, tea tree leaf, creamy whip containing patented complex extract. Here's what it looks like. Next, there is this lip product from Meili, and it is in fuchsia. Then the next thing I'm pulling out is from Pure Heals. It's a ginseng berry 80 overnight mask. That's what it looks like. And the last item I am getting out is the item I chose, which is an Ofra highlighter, and it is in Soho. Looks like Tigger is trying to knock down the camera. That. And here is what it looks like. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to be keeping the lip product, so I'm not going to swatch it. And I know I'm not going to keep the KVD Translucent Setting Powder because I just don't use it that much. And I'll find use for the skincare ones. And then I also got an add-on from Sunday Riley. It's the Saturn Sulfur Acne Treatment Mask. This is what it looks like. And medicated mask dries and clears up acne while preventing new blemishes from forming. So that's all I have for you guys today. Well, actually, I'll try it on the highlighter too. And that's what it looks like. So now that's everything. Again, hope you all have a great day. Bye.